Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to reboot Samsung XCover7 Pro. Okay, so the process is really easy and I'm sure that all of you can handle it. So first we need to turn on the power menu. To get access to it we need to use the 2-button combination. We need to hold the power button and volume down button at the same time. So let me show you how to do it. Simply hold both of the buttons, just like that, and now the power menu appeared on the screen. And now, the only thing that we need to do is to simply tap on the restart. Now, tap again. Now the Samsung logo disappeared, as you can see, and within a few seconds the device will be turned on and then ready to use. Again, also performing a simple reboot might be good for the performance of your device, but you shouldn't do it too often. Let's say, I think once a week is max. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.